What's going on, guys? Today I am very excited. I have the Zenfone 7 Pro. This is the phone that I got most excited for this year. So let's just get this open. Alright, very nice presentation. Here's our case. This is actually a pretty nice case. It's nice and textured. Oh, we have another case. Okay, this is the same material, but it's just a clear case. Oh, okay, supposed to pull it up through this tab. And there we go. There is our smartphone, very beautiful. Nice and heavy in the hand. And this is our, what looks to be a fast charger. This is a UK version, but they gave me an adapter, which is fine. USB-C to USB-C cable, nice. All right, let's power it on. We get an OLED this time around. Okay, so we get Chinese right away, but we do have English. Let's see if we have Hebrew. We do have Hebrew, all right. Not that I care, but in case I want to sell it one day. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. All right, so during the phone setup, we have a preview of the flip camera. But before that, I want to show you guys something that I noticed, all right? There's this tiny switch here next to the case. So when you pull it over here, it kind of blocks the flip camera. Let's see if that's the case. Yeah, see? Please, okay, cool. See that? So this is a latch that purposely blocks the flip camera. So if you want to block it for some reason, then you can do that. Very cool feature, I like that. So now, let's do that again. Very similar to the Zenfone 6, except this feels like a bit faster, more robust actually. Setting up our fingerprint. So instead of putting an in-display fingerprint sensor, just put one on the side, so. Not really a fan of the side-mounted fingerprint sensors because they don't really work that well, but you know, this is an expensive phone. Sure, it works better. All right. Access account, we can sign in through Google. Data transfer, no thank you. And setup complete. All right. Very similar to the Zenfone 6. Let's go to the camera. All right, so we have our wide angle and now a telephoto. Okay, this is 3 times. All right, very awesome. And we can still, move it around and use our volume buttons to move it as well. So similar in terms of that. And if I wanted to, I can also do a telephoto on myself. But most people are going to do the wide angle, fit your friends in there. Stay tuned for my full review coming in a few days. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.